Hello, welcome to Sourav Sir Classes. Today we'll be solving a question of GATE Chemistry 2019. So the question tells us to find the number of carbon monoxide stretching bands, in the infrared spectrum of the trigonal bipyramidal cis MCO3L2 is what? Where M is the metal and L is the monodentate ligand. So if we draw the structure over here, where the L are the monodentate ligands and M is the central metal, the carbon monoxides would be as 1, 2 and 3. So let us name these carbon monoxide atoms a bit differently. So we could name them as A and both of these as B. So in this structure, among these three carbon monoxide atoms, A, which is this one, A will produce a signal white, and B's, both of them in different environment, in a different environment, they will produce together as this one signal. So over here A is producing one signal and B in different environment is producing essentially one signal. So the total number of signals which we get is 2. So the number of CO2 stretching bands in the IR spectrum is 2. Now if you have any queries or doubts regarding this question, please contact us on www.SouravSirClasses.com. Thank you.